Evolvion GumRevive Periodontal Repair Gel. The product claims to help with problems like bleeding gums, redness, gum recession, bad breath, sensitivity, and even loose teeth. It contains ingredients like EMD, CoQ10, hyaluronic acid, and zinc citrate, which the company says can support healthier gums. Sounds promising, right? But the real question is, does the evidence actually support these claims? Let's find out. First, we notice the website uses before and after photos to show impressive results. That sounds convincing at first. But when we looked more closely, some of these images appeared to have been used elsewhere online. A reverse image search raised questions about whether they were actually genuine customer results. And honestly, that's a red flag. If the before and after photos aren't clearly authentic, why should we trust them? The second concern is the huge number of problems this one gel claims to help with. Gingivitis, gum recession, sensitivity, plaque and tartar, mouth ulcers, bad breath, discolored teeth, diastema, and even loose teeth. That's a lot for a single gel. These dental problems can have very different causes, so it seems unrealistic to expect one product to fix all of them. Then we have an even bigger claim. The company says the gel can help regenerate lost bone and periodontal tissue, improve loose teeth, and show visible results in just 7 days. 7 days? That sounds pretty ambitious, especially when we're talking about serious gum and periodontal problems. Claims like these should be backed by strong, independent clinical evidence for the actual product. And that leads us to another issue. The website describes the gel as GMP certified, dentist approved, and 100% clinically proven. But where's the proof? We couldn't find clear details about the certificates, the dentists involved, or the clinical studies supporting these claims. Simply saying, clinically proven, doesn't make something clinically proven. Finally, we looked for independent customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit, but we couldn't find enough genuine, independent feedback to confidently judge real customer experiences. Now, does this automatically mean the product is fake? No, but it does mean there are several reasons to be cautious. The questionable before and after images, the extremely broad claims, the promises of tissue regeneration and quick results, the lack of clear evidence for its certifications, and the limited independent reviews all raise some serious questions. So, before buying Evolvion GumRevive, take a step back and look for verifiable evidence rather than relying only on the company's marketing. And remember, if you have serious gum problems or loose teeth, it's always a good idea to speak with a qualified dentist. What do you think? Would you trust a product making these kinds of claims without clear evidence? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product investigations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.